The following is an ESG Lab video.
Hello, I'm Garrett with an ESG Lab video summary of our recent testing of Nasuni's Cloud NAS for the distributed enterprise. Today's knowledge workers are mobile, and as they use smartphones and tablets, along with traditional desktop and laptop computers, they both create and consume a lot more documents, files, videos, pictures, etc. This is a boon to business agility, but it complicates IT's task of delivering file data wherever users need it, with the performance they expect and the protection they need. Both mid-market and enterprise organizations tell ESG that the rapid growth and management of unstructured data remains one of their biggest storage challenges. It drives up the cost of storage hardware, management, and protection. Nasuni's Cloud NAS stores and synchronizes files across your distributed enterprise. It uses on-premise filers, which can be physical or virtual, back-ended by public cloud storage providers like Microsoft Azure, to deliver instant file access from any location. Automatic snapshots and offsite replication are built in, replacing backup, and cloud storage provides unlimited scalability. Nasuni also provides desktop and mobile file synchronization, plus global file locking that ensures collaboration without compromise. For replicating blocks and snapshots, Nasuni is very different from traditional NAS systems that send data over WAN connections that require acknowledgements on both sides. These increase latency, so organizations often spend extra money and effort to deploy WAN optimization appliances. Nasuni uses the lightweight HTTPS protocol, plus deduplication and compression, so the least amount of data is sent over a faster connection, resulting in better performance. And a single gold copy in the cloud is fully protected and available to any filer in your environment. Security is essential, and Nasuni uses military-grade encryption for files at rest and in transit, with keys managed by the customer by default. Random session keys and end-to-end SSL-protected data transmission add to the data security. ESG Lab looked at Nasuni filer data residing in an Amazon cloud, and as you can see here, the contents were unreadable. This conceptual overview demonstrates how Nasuni physical and virtual filers, along with sync and share and mobile applications, access a globally shared pool of data volumes. The cloud-based UniFS file system stores these volumes, along with redundant copies of every file and automatic snapshot. The files used most often are cached locally for the best performance. All the filers in your domain, no matter the location, can be managed by the browser-based Nasuni Management Console. From a single screen, you can manage all of your filers, since the data and the metadata are stored in the cloud. Administrators can view high-level trends and drill down to individual volumes and filers. We also tested Nasuni's Bi-Directional file synchronization and validated access to the same files via iOS and Android mobile devices and the web. Global file locking is a new addition to Nasuni that really improves collaboration, particularly for applications where multiple users need to edit the same project at the same time. This is common with computer-aided design and other applications that architects and engineers use. By placing protocol-level locks in the cloud, with automatic scaling, Nasuni eliminates the bottleneck and the single point of failure that occurs with traditional lock servers. ESG Lab tested the enhanced locking Nasuni offers for Autodesk's Revit work sharing application. Construction plans like these require strict adherence to change management and procedures, but with traditional architectures and WAN connections, architects and engineers can end up waiting 30 minutes or more for critical changes to be synchronized. Nasuni local filers make file sharing simple and fast, and global locking enables users to maintain plan integrity and still allow for modifications by other users. ESG Lab also tested user self-recovery. After creating a test file and editing several times, restore was simply a matter of right-clicking on the file, selecting the correct timestamp version, and clicking restore. In addition, since all files are protected in the cloud, disaster recovery is simple as installing a Nasuni filer software on a virtual server and connecting it to the cloud volume. ESG Lab executed this process in less than 10 minutes. Nasuni was built from the start for cloud scale and access from anywhere. Nasuni filers scale in capacity and performance, matching local performance to the demands of each location. and all of your locations around the globe have access to the right version of every file. Nasuni Cloud Scale is well proven, from customers that share files across 68 global offices, to AEC firms that have gained back time and optimized collaboration using Nasuni filers and global locking, to Nasuni's own test of a single file system containing more than 1 billion files, all accessible from any connected filer. So why does all this matter? Today's users need to access their files from anywhere on any device with instant performance. Nasuni ensures that they get all that without worrying about the right file versions. Your data volumes can grow easily while you maintain access and performance without the cost and complexity of clusters and keeping multiple copies up to date. Your file data is automatically protected and fully secure, and IT can manage all the filers around the globe from a single Nasuni management console. Really, Nasuni lets you focus on data management. Who needs access to what data? Where are they? What level of performance do they need? Instead of on the infrastructure. Nasuni offers the next generation of enterprise storage for the distributed enterprise. If you'd like to learn more, you can download the full ESG Lab Validation Report from the website.